In this video, I'm going to show you 3 websites that you can possibly use to be making over $400 a day. And these 3 websites works in hand-to-hand. So I hope you follow along all through so that you don't miss out on any step. The very first thing that we need to do is to go over to Google and type the name 5skid. And it's going to be the first link. You got to click on the link. Then you're going to be on this page just like this. This is our first website that we're going to be using today, and it happens to be the main website. And in case if you don't know what 5skid is all about, it's a freelance website where you can possibly offer various service to people, and at the end you're gonna get paid. But don't worry, irrespective of the service that you choose, there's a tool that I'm going to show to you, which is going to be helping you making all the work done. And the main reason why I choose this website over other website is that the competition here is pretty low compared to other freelance websites. Okay, so don't worry, like I said earlier, there's a tool that I'm going to show to you, which is going to be helping you making all the work done. All right, now the first service that we are going to be rendering is this very one right here. It's very easy to do. All you got to do is just to resize photo. Okay, there are some people that would like to change the dimension of their photo, and those people don't actually know there are software that they can possibly use that can help them. But since they don't have the time or they don't have the talent, they have to come to this website, pay someone like you to carry out the task for them. But don't worry, even if you are not talented also, like I said earlier, I'm going to show you how you're going to go over it, all right? And irrespective of where you're coming from, being Africa, America, Asia, Europe, Oceania, you can definitely get it started from this website and start making money, guys, okay? And this same user right here is offering the same service, and it has done it 88 times just to resize this photo for $5. And the most interesting thing about this one is you don't even need to put in any words. All you got to do just to resize it, okay? And this is another example of another user that is doing the same thing, changing the dimension of a photo, okay? And most of this photo can be used for covers, maybe like Facebook covers, Instagram Reels. Now that we know the first service that we are going to be rendering, what we have to do now is to go over to the website that is going to be helping us change the dimensions of this photo. And the website that we're going to be using today is called Fiverr. I know many of you might have heard of it. And if you don't know what Canva is, it's a free drag and drop tool for creating graphic designs. Let's assume you have your picture ready of which you want to change the dimension. What you have to do is to come over to this place where it says create a design. When you click on the button, you're going to have this option to choose what dimension that you need. But if the client is too specific about the dimension, what you have to do is to come over here and say create size. Okay, once you click on this button, you're going to have the ability to write the correct dimension. Okay, so irrespective of the photo that you have, just put in the dimension here and put the other dimension here, you're going to have it. But if you are asked to carry out some certain task and you don't know what is the dimension, what you got to do is to come back to Google, like what I just did here. What is the size of Facebook profile picture? It's going to always be the first answer. You can see here they say the size of Facebook profile picture is 170 by 170. Okay, if you don't know the size, just come to Google and write the name of the website and write the size. Okay, and come to Fiverr and write the same numbers that you just see here. Okay, just insert the number here, then hit on this sign that says create design. Then you're going to have the dimension like this. This is actually the dimension of Facebook profile picture. Once you throw, what you got to do is to come over to this place and hit on download. Then you're going to download it here. And I believe now you can see how easy it is. And that is the second website that we'll be using today. Now we are going to go over to the third website that's going to help us to make more money. Okay, but before we go further, let me quickly give you a little time to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. Now we still have a lot of service that we can still be rendering to be making money. All right, doing this mock-up, and this is the most easiest one. All right, but I know a lot of people don't know how to do it. Don't worry, I'm still going to show you another website again that's going to help you to do anything concerning this. Okay, and to do this also, just by putting someone's picture on big board, I'm still going to show you the website that's going to help you. And creating of t-shirt also, this same website I'm going to reveal to you is going to help you to do this. Okay, you can see this guy is killing it, bro. This guy is winning just to put the logo on the t-shirt and it's making money. Let's start from here. Let's assume you have a client that wants you to put his logo on the t-shirt or something like that. What you got to do is to come over to this website that's called placeit.net. All right, here is a tool that you can possibly use to make all type of already make graphic. All right, like if you want to put the logo on this type of shirt here or even this very one, you got to click it. Okay, now let me show you something. Don't worry, you don't need to be a professional to do what I'm going to show you here. Okay, you shouldn't be afraid. Even if you're just starting out, I just want you to follow along step by step. Okay, and let's assume you want to put the logo on this very image. What you got to do is to hit on this button that said insert image. I come over here and I say upload from device. Okay, then you're going to be on the device. Just select the logo that was sent to you by your client and hit on open. Okay, then you have the ability also to crop it. This is my photo right here. You have the ability to crop it. Just hit on crop. Okay, then in the moment you're going to see your picture here. That's how it's going to be. You you can see the logo here. If you want to also change this very one, come here and do the same thing. Go to your device, all right, select the same logo that was sent to you by the client. Then you have the ability to crop. Just crop it, boom, you're going to have it here. Okay, you can see how easy it is. Okay, this is my picture here. Now it's on this shade, so it's pretty straightforward. It's very easy. There's nothing you should worry about, but there's one thing you should worry about. Okay, but wait, before I tell you, let me show you other two things that you can also do from this website. All right, this very one, just to put someone on big board. Okay, let me show you how to also do it. A lot of people don't know about it, but you as a person, you are looking to find this video. All I'm asking of you is just to follow along. All right, if you want to do this, still come over to the same website again, place it and search for mockup. Once you're here, come to over where it says promotion and you're going to see billboard here. As I got here, you can see all of this billboard. Now you can also put your picture on any of these billboard. Okay, let's use this vertical one as an example. All right, you're going to give it a little time to load up, and once you load up, you're going to come over here where it says insert image, just like the same thing we did before. Click on the photo that was sent to you. You're going to be on this page. Just hit on crop. All right, now you can see yourself on the big board. Okay, people are paying for this service, guys. People are paying for this service. You gotta start doing something, okay? You gotta start doing something. Believe in the process, all right? You can possibly do any big ball you want to do in this life, okay? Because this place gives you the opportunity to do anything you want to do. It's already made, okay? All you gotta do is just to insert the pictures or the logo. You don't have to overstress yourself, okay? Hit on crop, okay? Then you're gonna see your big board over here. If you want to do the second one, the same thing. People are paying for this service, guys, all right? People are paying for this thing. You gotta wake up, you gotta do something. You can see yourself here, okay? That's just how to do it. It's very easy. But like I said earlier, there is something you should worry about. There is something you should worry about, okay? Because this platform is not free, all right? Like once you've done it like this, if you want to download it, there are two ways to do it. It's either you pay for the one service or you pay monthly, $14. What I will advise you is you gotta first create your account on Fiverr, okay? And you can screenshot any of these to set up your account, okay? Once you have a first order, you can come over here and pay, okay? Don't just go ahead and pay for it. But if you have your first order, you can come over here and pay for the service, and it's going to last you for a month. Doing that, you're going to be making lots of money, okay? I believe in this video, I've shown you 2 services or 3 services that you can possibly be doing, like I said earlier in the video. If you are doing any of these 3 services in combined, I can show you that at the end of the day, you're going to be making hundreds of dollars a day, guys, all right? And if you scroll down a little bit, you can also see some option of your photo. You can see there are a lot of things that you can do with this place it, okay? But first, you got to start make things happen on Fiverr, okay? Even if it's not Fiverr, it's other websites you've seen before. You can use what I've showed you here to be making the same money, guys, all right? So guys, that is it. If you believe from this video you've learned something, I would like you to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, all right? But if you don't like this way, you want to make money in a different way, this video right here or even this playlist right here is going to show you different ways and different strategies that you can use to make money online. So see you next week when I post another video again just like this with new strategies on how to stay at the comfort of your home and make money online. Cheers, peace out.